In this video, we are going to see how we can delete a post or a video from your playlist on TikTok application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. Let's say that you have created multiple playlists and you have saved different videos to it. Let me just show you how we can save one. So when you bookmark this, it will be saved to the playlist. So you can define that we want to save it in, let's say, my playlist. And when you go to your profile, it will appear in your playlist just like this. So if you want to get rid of any of that video, what you can do is just open up that playlist. You just head over to your profile, and from here we see different buttons. We will click on the bookmarks, that is for the playlist, and we head over to the collections, and this is to playlist. We will select one and we will select that video that we want to delete. So we open that up and just simply unmark that. Or otherwise, if you see a three-dotted icon anywhere here, or you click on the share button, you should be able to see that remove from playlist option if it is saved to the playlist. In this case, we cannot see the three dots. So the easiest way to do it is just unbookmark that. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.